Hello, welcome to day 4 of our Cebu itinerary. So now we're just having a quick breakfast bago tayo gumala. Let's go! So for our today's itinerary, we are visiting the tourist spots located in the mountainous areas of Cebu. First up would be Temple of Leah, and then pupunta rin tayo ng Sirao Garden, and then we'll also try to check if available or open ba ang Mountain View. If you're planning to visit Temple of Leah, you'll need to rent a cab or habal-habal, yung mga motor. I'm just not sure how much the rate is right now. Pero you can arrange that with the drivers. And then yung ibang drivers, nag-arrange na rin sila na mag-visit sa ibang tourist spots nearby, like Sirao or Tops. So yes. Ito na yung Temple of Leah. The entrance fee is 100 pesos for adults, and then sa kids, only 50 pesos. We also pay the parking fee of 30 pesos. So, welcome to Temple of Leah. Ito yung first stop namin. So, Temple of Leah is known to be it's like the Taj Mahal of the Philippines. This was built out of his love for his late wife, Leah. That's why it's called Temple of Leah. Later, pakita ko sa inyo yung statue niya dun sa taas. Ano siyang golden statue dun. Pasokin natin mamaya. The owner of Temple of Leah pala is a businessman named Teodorico Soriano Adarna. The grandfather of the actress Ellen Adarna. Sobrang ganda ng view from here. It's overlooking the Cebu City, and from here makita mo din yung Mactan Island. May mga tables and chairs dito sa labas ng temple. So if you want to bring food, you can, and enjoy the view while eating. So here's a statue of Leah. Beloved wife and mother, Leah V. Albino Adarna was chosen matron queen of her alma mater, the University of Southern Philippines. This 9-foot bronze statue portrays her composure and regal bearing when she was crowned. May the beholder discern her innate beauty, poise, and gentleness. There you go. Meron dito parang library sa loob. Ang daming books. So ito yung likod na part nung temple. So looks like they're starting to put in stuff inside. Yung mga maliliit na figurine for display. Tapos nakita natin yung mga ibang rooms, meron sila mga library, yung mga books dito. Yeah. Although it's not open to the public yet, but you can see it from the window.
Ang ganda oh. Ang taas.
Sa baba mismo.
Okay, tapos na tayo sa Temple of Leah. Punta na tayo sa Sirao Garden. I was thinking of bringing them sana to Tops, pero we decided to skip that tourist spot because they will pretty much see the same view, yung overlooking ng Cebu City and ng Mactan. So we decided to go directly to Sirao Garden. And medyo overloading kami sa car, so I wasn't sure if makayanan naming dumaan dun sa sobrang steep na road going up to Tops. So next time na lang. Sirao Garden is also known as the Little Amsterdam. So this is a good place to do family bonding in Pictorial. The garden is filled with flowers, and at the entrance you will see vendors selling mga merienda, may banana, and then they also sell fresh buko juice and some corn. Hindi na nga kami nakapag-lunch kasi nabusog na kami dito sa mga snacks na binili namin. And by the way, there is a 60 pesos entrance fee to enter the garden. Okay tayo dito sa kamay. Yan ah. Pasok tayo.
Kamay.
Welcome to my channel.
Hello guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa kamay.
Nasaan tayo?
Kamay.
Kamay.
Nice ah.
Sino yan? Naklap.
Antay mo muna si Tito Peter bago ka bumaba. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and turn on the notification bell so you can get updates on my new videos. After Sirao Garden, we went to Mountain View Resort. Unfortunately, close pa rin sila ngayon after the typhoon. So we decided to end the day early kasi maaga kami tomorrow for our Cebu Safari adventure. So ayun, uwi na tayo. Thank you so much for watching.